Guys, we're now at the Smoky Mountain Knife Works. The thing about it now is Smoky Mountain Knife Works doesn't have just knives. They also have, as you can see from the sign, guns and ammo. So let's go check them out. Thank you. If you're looking for a custom colored Glock, they definitely have them in stock here. ARs galore. Got a ton of accessories in here, holsters, magazines, just whatever you could imagine, along with all kinds of guns. It isn't just guns and ammo. They've got all kinds of clothes and just about anything you would need for outdoor sports.
I know it wasn't asked.
Probably can. It's interesting to see people's reactions that when they come from other areas where guns and knives are not as readily available as they are here. Some people are almost shocked when they come into a store like this and see how many guns they have, how easy it is to buy the ammunition, the knives. Of course, you know, in a store like this, you do have to go through background checks and all that sort of thing. But just thought it was interesting. Up there earlier, a lady who was from Michigan, another lady was from over in the Northeast. I don't remember exactly where. She was just shocked at you know, seeing all the guns that were in the store. Pretty interesting. Check out that water feature. If you're low on your supply of hand grenades, you know, looks like they've got quite a few available here. Just don't pull the pins. They got all kinds of military surplus in here. Ammo cans, dummy grenades, all kinds of packs. They even have bayonets in here also. Along with having all the guns and knives and other accessories that they have in here, this place is also like a mini museum. There's a lot of war relics and other things that they have on display. Roman coins. They also sell a lot of the artifacts in here also. You can see here a Civil War newspaper. You can also find pieces of different weapons also. I guess you could say the fossilized remains of them. Each of them comes with a certificate of authenticity. You can literally own a piece of history. And you don't see that every day. And an elk with a saddle on it. just now leaving Smoky Mountain Knife Works. That store has got a little bit of everything for everybody, you know, and this may surprise some of you people out there who think that guns kill people. If that were true, how do you think anybody would ever get out of that store alive? Guys, hope you liked the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.